Oh, it's a sweet treat today for Rise and Dine. Helms College's baking and pastry program gives students hands-on training in the skills used every day in professional kitchens, bakeries, and hospitality settings. Now, taste is one thing. Preparation is equally important, something Helms Baking and Pastry Program takes a delight in showing. Joining us now is chef instructor Lisa Fernandez. She's back with us in the mixed kitchen. And student Tierra Pressley with Helms College. Ladies, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having us.
I appreciate you bringing us some sweets here today, especially
Definitely.
this early in the morning here. So tell us, Lisa, what kind of cake decorating skills do students learn in the baking programs?
Oh, they will learn how to do a little bit more advanced icing with buttercream. Then we do fondant work. This is a little bit more advanced, like I said, and all these flowers are edible. The pearls, the drapes, all of this is edible. It's made out of fondant. And we're going to show you how to do a rose today out of gum paste, which is also edible.
Well, let's talk about that. You got the ingredients right here. So what's in the ingredients here to make this gum paste?
First, there's powdered sugar. You got to sift that quite a bit. Vegetable shortening, Tylose powder, which you could get from craft stores or online.
Okay.
And then fresh egg whites.
So there's nothing I can stick my finger into?
No, not today, Phil.
All right, fine.
Cliff, I'm sorry.
All right, fine. We do have some completed cakes. You just showed us one right there, too. But tell us about the student work we're taking a look at here with Tierra's.
Oh, yes. So this was the practical that Tierra and her class were working on individually. This is hers, and she did extremely well. So this is the one we're showing off today.
Check that out. Three tiers and all. Tierra, how challenging, shall we say, was this to put together?
It was very challenging. Working with the fondant and then the gum paste, making sure everything was the right thickness, rolling it out enough. You didn't add too much flour, not too little. It was very challenging.
Okay, great. Speaking of the gum paste, so you're going to start making some of that for us here now?
Yes, I am. I went ahead and rolled some out. And you have to roll it out pretty paper thin. And you see I put a piece of vinyl on top of it just to protect it from drying out. Because it does, like Tierra said, things dry out quite easily. So I'm just going to dust it. This is just a little bit of powdered sugar in a duster. Okay. And then little rose petal cutters.
Is fondant and this gum paste stuff, is this recent, or chef's been using this for a long time?
For a long time.
Really?
For a long time. Okay. I think it was more of a European style thing for a while, but they've been doing it in America for the past 30 years, mostly up north.
So is cake decorating more about, I don't know, creativity? Is it technique? It's a little bit of both?
A little bit of both.
Right.
You definitely have to have the technique down first, right, Tierra? Have the technique down first, and then you can put your creativity in it. Yeah. So I made this super thin. I have this tool here. I'm actually going to put it on this side. I'm sorry, it's a yellow on yellow. I didn't even think of that. But this is called a cell pin, and you just kind of go in and then ruffle it. That's how you get the magic. And
Tierra, this is one of the things you learn in your class here, right?
That is.
So I gotta ask, how many didn't make their way to the completed project?
They all made it, but in different degrees of satisfaction with the end product.
Okay. Now, for someone that's watching at home, what's a simple cake decorating tip that they could try?
Good question. I would say piping. Piping with a piping bag and a nice little tip, just to get your flow down. And that's a good basic step. And what else, Tierra? Like a cake comb.
Yeah, just practicing icing the sides. Right. Because we had to do that a lot.
I did said taste testing, but
I know.
It's just me. I mean, Tierra, tell me the kind of confidence that you get instilled into when you're taking these classes, because I mean, you're making really nice pieces of art.
At the beginning, you're very intimidated, and you're like, oh no, everything's going wrong. But then the more you do it, you understand like what the temperature should be, what the texture should be, how thin to roll it out, and so it just makes you feel like, oh, I can do this. It wasn't that bad.
It is frustrating at first.
And it takes a good chef instructor too, because how many on average, how many students do you have in a class like this?
Well, I've been teaching there for just 2 years now, and I had ended up with 8 for my first one, and this is about 10 or 11.
Wow, okay, picking up here.
Yeah, yeah.
So on top of this, what other types of skills do baking and pastry students learn beyond the cake decorating?
Oh my goodness! So this was one of the last production classes that we had. After that, we had advanced bread, and there we did a lot of sourdough, baguettes, croissants. Oh my goodness!
Now, Mary and I did visit Helms one time, and we were doing the breading, the threading. Yes, that's tough. I can tell you right
Your
now.
breads turned out really well, though. I
had a little.
I didn't know how to send the picture to you guys, but it turned out amazing.
We're running out of time here. You're wrapping up here with this, this beautiful little petal, yellow rose petal here too. What kind of careers could somebody pursue after studying bakery and pastry?
Gosh, you could work at grocery store bakeries. You could open your own. I personally like resorts and hotels, country clubs, of course. Pretty much anything you want to do.
And
there's an option.
Tierra's got a lot in store for her with this. Absolutely.
I believe it.
Hey, if you would like to start the path to your dream career, you can do that too, and just make these beautiful pieces of work. That are edible, by the way, too, just by heading down to helms.edu and checking it out. That's perfect. Check that out. The finished product. Boom. So, Tierra, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.